Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V70 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find system management. Then let's tap on reset, and at the top we've got the option looking for, so just tap on reset network settings. And here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others Wi-Fi, mobile data network and Bluetooth. So just tap on reset, enter your screen lock to confirm, and tap on reset. Be aware because this operation cannot be undone. And as you can see or saw, we have the information that we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.